return to our comprehensive analysis of a pivotal legal decision impacting urban development in India. Today, we delve into the Supreme Court's recent ruling that has allowed the Auroville Foundation to proceed with its ambitious road construction project. This decision marks the overturning of a previous order by the National Green Tribunal, which had initially blocked the project due to environmental concerns. The Auroville Foundation, a unique community focused on sustainable living, faced significant legal hurdles when the NGT intervened, citing potential ecological disruptions. However, in a dramatic turn of events, the Supreme Court has now cleared the path for development, emphasizing the importance of legal interpretations in advancing infrastructure projects. This introduction sets the stage for our exploration of how this legal battle unfolded, highlighting the initial conflict and the decisive ruling that followed. As we examine the intricate details of this case, we'll uncover the complexities behind judicial decisions and their far-reaching implications on urban planning and environmental governance. Join us as we navigate through this intricate legal landscape, understanding not just the outcome, but also its broader impact on future development initiatives. Stay tuned as we transition into the next segment, where we'll explore the NGT's original stance and the reasons behind their initial order. The National Green Tribunal, or NGT, took a firm stance against the Auroville Foundation's proposed road project, citing significant environmental and legal concerns. This initial halt was not just a roadblock for development, but a statement emphasizing the importance of environmental preservation. The NGT outlined several reasons, primarily focused on potential ecological damage that such construction could bring to the area, known for its unique biodiversity. Legal stipulations were also at the forefront, as the tribunal underscored the necessity for compliance with existing environmental laws and regulations. Moreover, the NGT raised pertinent questions about the project's adherence to legal frameworks designed to safeguard the environment. They demanded that the Auroville Foundation demonstrate clear plans for mitigating environmental impact, ensuring that development does not come at the expense of nature's balance. These expectations were rooted in a broader concern for sustainable development. Despite these robust arguments from the NGT, the narrative took a pivotal turn when the Supreme Court overturned this decision. As we transition to understanding this ruling, we delve into how legal interpretations and arguments swayed the course of development in favor of Auroville's aspirations. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court has overturned the National Green Tribunal's order, paving the way for the Auroville Foundation to proceed with their road construction project. The decision, rooted in meticulous legal reasoning, highlights the court's emphasis on comprehensive legal arguments presented by the Auroville Foundation. During the hearing, the Foundation meticulously laid out its case, arguing the road's necessity for sustainable development and community access. The court carefully weighed these arguments against the NGT's environmental concerns, ultimately finding that the Foundation's plans align with legal standards and broader developmental goals. Crucially, the Supreme Court noted the project's potential to enhance infrastructure without compromising environmental integrity, a balance that proved pivotal in their final verdict. This decision marks a significant moment in the ongoing dialogue between environmental preservation and urban development. By allowing the road construction, the court has set a precedent that could influence future cases where development meets environmental resistance. As we delve deeper into this ruling, we explore how legal frameworks can support both growth and sustainability. Next, we will examine the broader legal implications and potential precedents set by this pivotal ruling, which may shape the landscape of urban development in India for years to come. The Supreme Court's decision to allow the Auroville Foundation to proceed with its road construction project holds significant legal implications. This ruling not only overturns the National Green Tribunal's previous order, but also establishes a critical precedent for future urban development initiatives facing similar legal challenges. By siding with the Auroville Foundation, the Supreme Court has essentially underscored the importance of balancing developmental needs with environmental considerations. This decision could potentially influence how future cases are judged, particularly those involving conflicts between developmental projects and environmental regulations. The broader implications of this ruling extend beyond Auroville, signaling a shift in how legal frameworks might accommodate urban growth while addressing environmental concerns. Furthermore, this landmark verdict may prompt a re-evaluation of existing environmental laws, especially in the context of urban development. It invites a deeper exploration into how legal systems can evolve to support sustainable development practices without compromising ecological integrity. As the dust settles on this decision, stakeholders and policymakers must consider its ramifications on future urban planning and environmental legislation. This pivotal moment in legal history not only impacts Auroville, but also sets a transformative example for how India might navigate the complexities of development and environmental preservation in the years to come. Next, we will explore how Auroville plans to move forward with its development initiatives post-ruling. The path forward for the Auroville Foundation is now illuminated, as the Supreme Court's ruling has lifted previous constraints. With the legal hurdles cleared, the Foundation is poised to embark on its ambitious development projects. Yet, this new chapter brings its own set of challenges and opportunities. As they lay the groundwork for the future, strategic planning will be crucial to navigate potential obstacles while capitalizing on emerging opportunities. The community and stakeholders now stand at a crossroads, balancing enthusiasm with caution. Their responses are pivotal as they collectively chart a course that aligns with Auroville's ethos and aspirations. The ruling has galvanized diverse reactions, with some seeing it as a chance to advance sustainable urban development, while others remain vigilant about preserving the unique environmental and cultural fabric of Auroville. In the coming months, the Auroville Foundation will not only focus on immediate plans, but also engage with the community to ensure an inclusive approach to development. As they move forward, the stakes are high, but so too is the potential for transformative growth. Next, we'll explore how these developments are resonating within the broader community and what it means for Auroville's future. The recent Supreme Court ruling allowing the Auroville Foundation to proceed with its road construction has ignited a wave of reactions from both the local community and the broader public. Among Auroville residents, opinions are varied. Some see this as a positive step towards modernizing infrastructure and boosting regional development, while others express deep concerns over the environmental implications and the potential loss of Auroville's unique ecological balance. This decision has not only stirred local sentiments, but has also caught the attention of environmentalists and urban planners across India. Supporters of the ruling argue that it paves the way for progress and development, setting a precedent for future projects that seek to enhance connectivity and economic growth. However, critics worry about the message this sends regarding environmental protection and the precedents it may set for overriding ecological considerations in favor of development. As the community grapples with these differing viewpoints, the potential social impact on Auroville residents becomes increasingly apparent. The challenge now lies in finding a way to harmonize growth with sustainability, ensuring that the voices of all stakeholders are heard and considered. As we move forward, we will explore how this ruling could influence future urban development projects across India, setting the stage for our next discussion on balancing development with environmental preservation. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision to allow the Auroville Foundation's road project marks a pivotal moment for urban development in India. This ruling not only highlights the intricacies of balancing growth with environmental sustainability, but also sets a precedent for future legal challenges. As urbanization continues to expand, the need for a harmonious coexistence between development and nature becomes increasingly crucial. The decision underscores the importance of carefully considering environmental impacts while pursuing infrastructure projects. Looking ahead, similar projects may face legal scrutiny, but this ruling provides a framework for navigating the complex landscape of environmental and urban planning laws. Ultimately, the path forward demands a thoughtful approach where progress and preservation go hand in hand. The lessons learned here emphasize the necessity of crafting policies that respect both our ambitions and the environment we inhabit. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of a landmark legal decision.